Okay, I think our early career strategy has always been the most defining, strategy that we put in place, and the very core part of it is the human element. While we are an AI first organization, we take deep pride in all our human connects that we have with each of the candidates. And in addition to that, all our programs are very custom curated to the requirements of the what the each and every joiner needs. I think that's what defines us, and each joiner, whether from campus or an early career, has a very different route from one another, and it's not one size that fits all. That's what helps us stand apart.
Rightly said by Shifali, we customize each and every program for all our early career candidates that join us. That's what I want to say.
So for me, it would be inclusivity. The fact that inclusivity is not just an initiative for Genpact, it is something that's a design principle of almost anything and everything that we put together, whether it is a discussion that we schedule or it is a recruitment program. Inclusivity is a design principle, and I think that's one thing that all the organizations can embrace from Genpact. Oh, this is so thrilling. This is so exciting. You can see by the white smiles on our face how excited we are. It just reinforces the fact that we are doing something right, especially when it comes from such a coveted leader and which is so respected. And this is something which I think we're going to hold close to our hearts and sleep tonight with.
This is
Tomorrow
the
is
first award,
yeah.
so it's really special for both of
Yeah.
us. In fact, our entire team.